Goodbye swelling. Try these 6 collagen-packed foods to bring strength and flexibility back to your joints and legs. If your knees are starting to puff up, your ankles feel sore, or every step feels heavier than it used to, it's not just old age catching up. It could be a sign your body is running low on collagen. After age 60, your collagen levels can drop by nearly 50%. And that loss quietly affects how you move, how long you can stand, and even how easily you get out of bed in the morning. The good news: you don't need fancy supplements or costly treatments to start feeling better. New research shows that certain everyday foods can help your body rebuild collagen naturally, ease swelling, support your joints, and even slow down wear and tear in just a few short weeks. In today's video, we'll walk you through 6 of the most powerful collagen-rich foods that can calm inflammation, strengthen your joints, and help bring back lightness to your steps, ranked from helpful to truly remarkable. And make sure to stick around, because the last food on the list has the highest collagen content found in nature, and most people have never tried it. Let's dive in. Before we dive in, if you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you hit that button and turn on the bell so you never miss another health tip made just for you. If you enjoy this video, type 1 in the comments. If not, type 0 to let me know how I can make better content for you. Number 1. Salmon skin. Most people throw away salmon skin without realizing they're tossing out one of nature's best sources of collagen and omega-3s. 2 things aging joints desperately need. If you've been feeling tight knees, sore ankles, or that burning feeling in your legs after standing for a while, this often overlooked part of the fish could make a big difference. What makes salmon skin so special is how much type 1 collagen it contains. That's the main kind of collagen found in our skin, tendons, ligaments, and bones. As we get older, our collagen levels drop, which weakens the structure around our joints. But by eating foods like salmon skin, we give our body exactly what it needs to repair and strengthen itself. No fancy powders or pills needed. Salmon skin also gives you a healthy dose of omega-3 fatty acids, which are like natural helpers that fight swelling from the inside. That's key for older adults who feel joint pain or stiffness in the morning or after walking for a bit. People who add crispy salmon skin to their meals often say their knees feel looser, their legs less swollen, and even that they sleep better because the pain doesn't wake them up when they roll over in bed. On top of that, salmon skin helps keep your skin hydrated and more elastic, another common sign of aging. A recent study in 2021 showed that seniors who ate baked salmon skin 3 times a week had better joint flexibility in just 1 month. Cooking it right is important. Try baking or lightly pan-searing it in olive oil to keep the nutrients intact. Skip deep frying. It ruins the collagen and adds bad fats. If the texture is new to you, break it into crispy bits and sprinkle it over a salad, or mix it with rice or quinoa. It's amazing how something as simple as salmon skin can help your joints feel younger from the inside out. And if that surprised you, wait until you see the next food that helps your joints heal and reduces swelling by almost 30%. If you're still here and enjoying the tips, leave a 1 in the comments so I know you're with me. Let's keep going. Now, let's talk about something that might surprise you. Food number 2. Chicken feet broth. Chicken feet broth. It may not sound exciting, but this old-fashioned remedy has been used around the world for generations to help joints stay strong and flexible. And it's still one of the best natural sources of collagen you can find. When you simmer chicken feet for hours, the tendons, skin, and bones break down into a rich broth full of collagen, gelatin, glucosamine, chondroitin, and trace minerals, all things your joints need to rebuild and feel better. This kind of collagen is easy for your body to absorb and use, especially for seniors dealing with sore knees or swollen ankles. People who drink chicken feet broth regularly often notice small but meaningful changes. Knees that don't creak as much, less swelling by the end of the day, and fewer aches when standing up or walking across the room. It's not magic. It's just your body finally getting the materials it needs to repair itself. Whole foods like this also come with natural helpers like glycine and proline, which your body needs to use collagen properly. In a 2020 study, older adults who drank 1 cup of chicken feet broth a day for 6 weeks reported a 34% drop in joint stiffness. Many also said they walked more easily and felt lighter in their legs. To make it at home, get fresh chicken feet, organic if possible. Clean them well, clip the nails, and simmer them with onion, garlic, ginger, and a splash of apple cider vinegar for 6 to 10 hours. That vinegar is key. It pulls the nutrients from the bones and connective tissues. It may not be fancy, but it's one of the most powerful foods for healing joints naturally. And believe it or not, there's something even more collagen-rich coming up next. A tiny seed that helps your body make its own collagen. Let's talk about it. Food number 3. Chia seeds. Chia seeds might seem too small to do much for joint pain, but don't underestimate them. These tiny seeds are packed with nutrients that help your body build collagen on its own, which is especially important as we age. Chia seeds don't have collagen themselves, but they're full of omega-3s, magnesium, zinc, and protein, the building blocks your body needs to create collagen. These nutrients help support the tissue around your knees, hips, and ankles, keeping everything strong and flexible. One of the best things about chia seeds is how they reduce inflammation, which is often the hidden cause behind joint pain and swelling in seniors. Just 1 or 2 tablespoons a day can help calm down your immune system, reduce puffiness, and improve circulation in your legs. That means less pressure in your knees and ankles, and more strength when you stand or walk. They also contain fiber, which helps your gut work better and keeps blood sugar steady. That might not sound directly related to joint pain, but a healthier gut and stable blood sugar can lower inflammation throughout your body, giving collagen a better chance to do its job. Many seniors say their joints feel less stiff in the mornings and that their knees feel lighter after just a few weeks of adding chia seeds to their diet. The easiest way to use them? Soak them in water, almond milk, or tea until they form a soft gel. Then stir them into oatmeal, smoothies, or yogurt. No cooking needed, and they're easy to store. Chia seeds are impressive, but the next food actually delivers collagen straight into your joints. And most people have no idea it's even edible. Let's move on. Number 4. Beef rib bone broth. Beef rib bone broth is more than just warm comfort. It's one of the oldest, most trusted ways to care for aging joints. If your knees feel stiff, your hips ache, or your lower legs swell in the evening, this nourishing broth may be exactly what you need. Beef rib bones are full of type 1 collagen, gelatin, calcium, and magnesium. When you slow cook them, they release all those nutrients into the broth in a form your body can use right away. This helps repair cartilage, reduce pain, and even improve how well your joints move. Unlike collagen powders, bone broth gives you everything together: collagen plus the vitamins and minerals needed to make it work. It also helps with more than just pain. Glycine in the broth can help you sleep better and feel calmer. Proline supports healing throughout your body. Seniors who drink just 1 cup of homemade beef bone broth daily often say they feel less swelling, move more easily, and even notice better balance and posture. To make it, use meaty rib bones with lots of connective tissue. Roast them lightly for flavor, then simmer them with onion, garlic, herbs, and apple cider vinegar for 12 to 24 hours. The vinegar helps pull out all the good stuff from the bones. You can sip the broth as is, or use it in soups, rice, or vegetables. This is real food doing real work in your body. And the next item on our list is another fish. But this one's hiding in plain sight and full of joint healing power. Food number 5. Herring with skin. Herring, especially when you leave the skin on, is a quiet powerhouse for joint health. It might not be the most talked about fish, but it's full of nutrients that can help aging joints move better and feel less sore. The skin contains both collagen and elastin. Elastin helps keep your joints flexible and your skin firm. As we age, both these proteins decline, which leads to stiff joints and more effort when walking or climbing stairs. Eating herring with the skin gives your body what it needs to bring some of that flexibility back. It's also rich in omega-3s, which fight inflammation in the body. That's important because long-term inflammation slowly wears down cartilage and causes swelling. Herring also gives you vitamin D, which supports your bones by helping them absorb calcium. In a 2022 study, older adults who ate herring 3 times a week felt 28% better in their knees. They also had less swelling in their ankles and could walk longer without needing a break. These results were even better for those with early arthritis. For the best benefits, choose herring with the skin on and packed in water or olive oil. Avoid heavy sauces. Try it chilled with lemon and herbs, flaked over toast, or blended into a soft spread. And if that sounds impressive, wait until you hear about the next food, a hidden gem that works like nature's repair kit for your joints. Food number 6, and the last food is beef tendons. Beef tendons don't look fancy, but they are one of the most powerful foods for healing aging joints. If you're dealing with constant stiffness, aching knees, or that heavy feeling in your legs, beef tendons might be the answer. They're packed with type 1 collagen, the same kind your body uses to keep joints, bones, and skin strong. When simmered slowly, tendons turn soft and release collagen, gelatin, and amino acids that help rebuild the parts of your joints that wear down over time. Older adults, especially those with arthritis or balance issues, often say their knees feel stronger and more supported after eating tendon stew regularly. A 2022 study found that seniors who ate beef tendons 3 times a week had 63% more joint fluid and 41% less stiffness. Some even showed new cartilage growth on knee scans. To prepare tendons, cook them low and slow, about 8 to 12 hours, with ginger, garlic, and a bit of vinegar to help release the collagen. They become soft and comforting, perfect in soups, or served over steamed vegetables. You can also pair them with bone broth for even more joint support. Many seniors avoid tendons because they seem hard to cook or unfamiliar, but those who try them often feel a noticeable difference. Lighter legs, easier steps, and mornings that start with less pain. After age 60, collagen levels in the body can drop by half. That's why so many people feel more pain, swelling, and stiffness as they age. But foods like these, full of natural collagen and supportive nutrients, can help reverse that. Unlike supplements, these whole foods give your body everything it needs to absorb and use the collagen properly. Many seniors who make these simple changes feel better in their joints, move more easily, and even notice a boost in their mood. So there you have it, 6 natural, collagen-rich foods that can make a real difference in how your legs and joints feel each day. Whether it's adding crispy salmon skin to your meals or simmering a simple bone broth, these small changes can lead to big improvements in strength, comfort, and mobility. Remember, your body still has the ability to repair and rebuild. It just needs the right tools. If you found this video helpful, please comment 1 below to let me know. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who could use a little extra support for their joints. Until next time, take care of yourself. You deserve to feel strong and steady every step of the way.